In this video, we are going to discuss about variables in Java. Variables in Java is like a container to store data. Our computer has memory where we store something. In order to store something inside memory, we need some reserve space where we can store it, which we do with the help of variables. Variables are known as variable as value inside it can get changed. Have you ever wondered why we declare variable in Java? Let us break it down with four simple reasons. First, when you declare a variable in Java, you are letting the computer to reserve some memory space. The space that holds data your program needs while it is running. Second, every variable needs a name. This is a name refer to memory location where your data is stored, just like naming folder in desktop. Third, variable holds a value. This could be a number, character, sentence, or even an object, depending on what your program needs. And finally, we specify type. It tells Java what kind of data the variable holds and how much space to reserve for it. For example, int for numbers, string for text, and boolean for true or false. Now you understand why variables are important. Let us look at syntax to declare variable. In Java, it is very simple. You have to first write type name of the variable followed by name of the variable equal to sign and the value of the variable followed by semicolon. Let us go through some examples to declare variables. First, int age equal to 25. Here, int is a type of the variable. Age is the name of the variable with equal to sign and 25 is a value assigned to variable name age. Second, string. Name of the variable is name and value Ravi is assigned to it. The third variable is boolean and is passed is the name of the variable and true value is passed to it. Let us write a Java program in Eclipse IDE and understand this program step by step. Now I am in my Eclipse IDE and I have already created a class named StudentInfo with first line as public static string args, which is treated as entry point of a class. And I created three variables. The very first variable is a variable named student name of type string and assign value Ravi here. Second variable is student age of type int and I assign value 20 here. And third variable is my is enrolled, which is of type boolean and I assign value true here. So in this way I declare three variables using some data type, variable name and assigning some values to it. And I try to print out the value of this variable using system.out.println and I just write student name and using plus sign and the variable name I print student name plus student age I print student's age and plus is enrolled I print the student in enrolled values. Now I've saved this program and I want to run this. I go to studentinfo.java, click and run as Java application and in console you can see the output. Student name is Ravi, age is 20 and enroll is true, that is Boolean type. So in this way we learn how to declare variable in Java. In next video we are going to discuss about Java data types.